Hello, it is a sea day on our cruise ship, so I'm just doing the New York Times games in some public area, a little off in the corner to myself. We'll see how this goes. Let's start with Wordle, and still don't have the wheel, so I'm just going to start with Steel, and we'll go from there. Ooh, okay. So we start with S. I'm wondering if it's SH. I mean, there's a lot of things. It could be SP, SC, SK, SM. All right, so where do we want this T to go? How do we want to end? Because we don't have an E. I'm thinking vowel in the middle, like an I or an O. And then we could put the T here. Ooh, how about skirt? I don't know why. I like skirt. Oops. Gets the R as well. Yeah, that's fine. Skirt is fine. I was thinking spurt might work too. Okay, well, I got nothing. Skirt was horrible. How about an O in the middle and then a T here then? What can go at the end? TH really doesn't look good. Maybe this doesn't work. You know what? Actually, sooth is a word, isn't it? I don't know if it's sooth or... It's not soothe, because soothe has an E at the end. But I'm going to guess sooth. All right. Ooh. Oh my gosh, it's south. How did I think of sooth before south? That's kind of embarrassing. All right. Cool. Well, the bot's probably not going to like sooth too much, but we'll see. Analysis. 86 skill. 52 luck. All right. Let's see. There were only 26 words left after steel. It didn't like skirt. That's fine. It wanted to do a filler honor. Yeah, because I'm on hard mode. Let's see. Okay, and then after that, after sooth, would have been one of my top picks. Sooty. Sooth was actually a 97. For some reason, South wasn't. Oh, South was worse than Sooth. I mean, other than being the answer. Most people went South in this situation. I don't blame them. Okay. Only one solution left, yeah. Okay. Nothing too surprising there. Let's go back, and we'll do connections. We're finding 4 groups of 4. All right, we've got matter, vanilla, desert, plain, count, horse, chocolate, volume, strand, ages, weight, dump, measure, standard, maroon, and normal. Maroon always makes me think of Maroon 5. Maroon is a color. You can get marooned on an island. Vanilla and chocolate makes me think they aren't together. It's a little too obvious, especially with placement. New York Times games without the S. Strand. Yeah, you can strand, you can maroon. This is to get isolated. Or lost. I don't know, would dump work? Can you dump someone somewhere? Maroon them, strand them? What would be the 4th, though? Standard, measure, ages, weight. I'm not seeing it, so maybe not. Desert. Oh wait, this is dessert. Sorry, but not dessert like the after dinner. The sweet treat is with 2 S's, but I think you can desert someone on an island, and that would be with 1 S. All right. There we go. Abandon. Okay. Oh, I'm wearing purple today, but I didn't even want to try for purple first today. I'm making these videos short. All right. Volume is interesting. Volume is measure related to volume. Measure and count feel related. We've also got volume and weight, which are just ways of measuring something. Something could have volume, it could have weight, it could have matter, like it's got substance to it. I don't know. It doesn't seem quite right. Plain and vanilla and chocolate, I mean, Flavors? I don't know. I kind of rejected chocolate vanilla, but it's possible they're together. Ages is plural. Middle ages? Oof. I don't know. Standard candle. Standard anything. Standard and plain could be in the same thing. Vanilla. This is just like, yeah, the normal thing. Yeah, okay. This is probably yellow. Ordinary. Okay. Horse is weird. What does horse go with? Horse race? Horse. I don't know. Huh. Matter. Volume. Weight. I still think maybe weight, matter, measure, count go together, so let's just try that. That's one away. Okay. Measure, matter. Maybe not measure? Maybe instead of matter, we do volume. There we go. Okay. Specs on on consumer packaging. Oh, okay. Count, measure, volume, weight. Matter, horse, chocolate, ages. Hero of. No, that's just ages. Horse. Matter. Chocolate. I have no idea. Purple's just happening this week, I guess. Dark. Oh, dark chocolate. Okay. Let's look at these. Dark ages. Yeah. Dark chocolate. Dark horse. And dark matter. Gotcha. Okay. That makes sense. I obviously just didn't think of it. Let's think about difficulty and percentage. Difficulty, I'm going to give it a 2.5. Percentage solve rate, let's give it a 65%. See if I'm right. Oh no, a black hole. Okay. They gave it a 1.8. Wow. Yeah, so they thought it was very easy today. Let's check the bot. Oh, 83%. Okay, so I severely underestimated the solve rate. This one was pretty easy. I was 1 in 513, considering the mistake I made. That's interesting. People are getting basically anything first but purple. Oh, we should look at the details here. Yeah, I mean, just there aren't enough losing games here to really analyze anything. Yeah, 24% of people made the same mistake as me. That was kind of a red herring in there. Putting standard in with volume weight measure, interesting. Yeah, there was a little overlap, but it wasn't enough to make you lose, I guess. People are locking in yellow first, green first, blue first, and then the mistake I made, and then purple first. Interesting. Okay. Well, I think that's it for that. Let's go back. And let's do the mini, which I think is up here. No. Why would they put the crosswords next to each other? That would just be weird, right? All right, the mini crossword. Blowout party. Not sure. Airline with Sky Club lounges. Ooh, who has that? Is that Delta, maybe? Body part that can be held with one hand but not both. Your hand? I would think, but hand doesn't fit. All right. Get an F on. Fail. Oh, but fail doesn't fit either. Flunk, maybe. Subdued. I'm not sure. Ramsey of The Last of Us. Ooh, that's the main. That's the main character, right? The girl. Why can't I remember her name? Darn it! I never remember names. Collection of Facebook photos. An album. Building material for the Washington Monument. Oh, I thought it was just concrete. There's an aluminum tip, which at the time was very expensive. I don't know what the material is. It's weird. Red-tailed or red-shouldered bird. Hawk? I know the red-tailed hawk. Masterful. Not defy. What is this? Masterful. Deft. Deft. Blowout party is a bash. Okay. Oh, it's the elbow. Okay. That was close with hand. Subdued. Tame? Yeah, I did it. Okay. Boop. All right. What did I miss? Bella. Oh, it's Bella Ramsey, right. Shoot, I should have thought of that. And then stone. Washington Mountain is made of stone. Okay. Well, last game is Strands, and then we'll be done for the day. All right. Find the remainder. That sounds like a math thing. I see MAT, but not math. Find the remainder. I wonder if it actually is math related or something else. Division, maybe? I saw DIV in a few places. We can't quite... Wait. Division, no. That doesn't work from there, at least. Around the edges... we've got terse. Nope. Oh, I'm just trying words today. Let's see. Gov. Sire. Siren. What would find the remainder be other than math? Like, arithmetic. I don't see arithmetic. Risen? No. Yeah, we can do risen. I thought that would be it. Rise. I guess I'm going to start with a hint again today. What is this? Dregs? Oh, so like the what's left over. Ooh, how many words do I know like that? The trace, maybe? Okay. So this is leftover. Yeah, it's exactly what the leftovers. That's the spanogram. What is this? Surnuve. Sign vu? We'll do that last. What's over here on the left? Result residue. We have to do it this way. Okay. And then okay, so there other than the one on the right, there are two words over here on the left. I see give. It's not give or gives, I don't think. I don't know. What is over here? I can't think of more words for leftover. Dive. Apparently that's a word. I don't know. Do I need to double hint? I'd have to double hint a lot of these because I need that. I might need it for the run, right? It looked like with this EOU and the V there, it really feels like it's going to be a French word. But maybe I'm just overthinking it. Rinsouv. Souvenir. Oh, souvenir. Souvenir. It is a French word, but I know it. Let's see. So, two more on the left. Ment. Might as well get it. I tried terse already. 10. Ant something? Anter. Alright, I'm gonna hit one hint. Wait, man. Does it end in ER? Manter. Termin. 2 N's. 2 vowels. How about the other word? Why can't I see this? Holy moly. Very much a carousel moment today. How many ways are there to rearrange this word? Stevige. It's clearly. Stegiv. Tegivs. What the heck? Manter. Remnant. Okay, I got that one. What is this other one? So far, they've all been words I know. It's really hard for me to figure them out. My anagram abilities have never been good. Get Stegiv. I have no idea. Oh, vestige. It's vestige. Finally. For some reason I thought vestige had an A, not an I. It's probably the pronunciation. Or at least the way I pronounce it. Alright. Well, that was a struggle. Yeah, like, I don't know, they're tough. Even though I know the words, they're tough when scrambled up. Vestige, remnant, souvenir. It even took me a second to figure out what souvenir was again. Alright, well, that's the video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then why don't leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.